acidic strength of benzoic acid and basic strength of aniline. These acidic strength of benzoic acid and basic strength of aniline we are going to discuss in this video. In these two compounds, the common factor is SIR effect. What is this SIR effect? Steric inhibition in resonance. That means resonance is inhibited by steric hindrance. Resonance is inhibited means there is no resonance, proper resonance due to steric hindrance. Where is the steric hindrance? Due to ortho substitution. Due to ortho substitution in both cases. So this is also known as ortho effect. This is also known as ortho effect. Okay, due to this ortho substitution, here resonance is not possible. Why? See, note point here, resonance is possible in planar structures only. Resonance is possible in planar structures. See here, due to these bulky groups, this group is not in the same plane, it is away from the benzene ring. So it is not in the same plane, so resonance is not possible. Okay, only inductive effect का काम करेगा, लेकिन mesomeric effect and hyperconjugation those are not possible, right? क्योंकि resonance के लिए planar चाहिए. Now we can discuss one by one. Due to this SIR effect, always orthobenzoic acid is higher acidic than other. Other means meta and para isomers. Then second point, quite opposite, ortho substituted aniline. Aniline has less basic. This is the higher acidic. Here less basic than other anilines. Other aniline means here meta and para. Okay, this is the note point. It is applicable in further examples. Next, now I am taking benzoic acid. In the benzoic acid, ortho bromo, meta bromo, benzoic acid, then para bromo benzoic acid, normal benzoic acid. See, what is the bromine effect here due to this steric index? Okay, so I given you just before the statement, ortho is always higher. So I am giving number always 1, 2, 3, 4, just you understand this. Always keep it constant. So 1 is highest ortho. Then benzoic acid and bromobenzoic acid. See, bromobenzoic acid is minus inductive. Here plus mesomeric also is there, but in case of halogens, for halogens, minus inductive is higher than the plus mesomeric. So obviously minus inductive. So normal benzoic acid, say these all three benzoic acids are higher acidic. Okay, so after benzoic acid means least क्या होगा, benzoic acid, that is the fourth. Highest क्या होगा, ortho. Then meta and para. मेटा में ओनली माइनस इंडक्टिव एंड पैरा मेसोमेरिक इफेक्ट इज लेस ऑफ कोर्स इंडक्टिव लेकिन फोर्थ पोजीशन में इंडक्टिव, हियर ओनली थर्ड पोजीशन में इंडक्टिव, दैट्स व्हाई we know that Ka is directly proportional to minus inductive and minus mesomeric. So the meta position is strongly uh, affecting that group. So 1, 2, metabromobenzoic acid is higher acidic strength than para. Para means number 3. So what happened? 1, 2, 3, 4 as it is हो गया, right? This one is due to condition is SIR, due to SIR. Ortho, meta, para, then normal benzoic acid. In case of chlorine, if you take the chlorine, so here only I can tell that suppose if you take the chlorine here, chlorine, 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 same answer. There also minus inductive and repulsion is there. So answer is again 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Next, if you take iodo, also same. Now I am taking aniline. Okay. Orthobromoaniline, metabromoaniline, parabromoaniline. Then it is normal aniline. Right. Now bromine is minus inductive plus mesomeric minus inductive. It is a repulsion. What I told the statement according to SIR. So SIR is telling that this aniline basic strength is least. Okay. So all are minus inductive groups. So first of all, normal aniline is better than the remaining anilines because we know that Kb is inversely proportional to minus inductive. So minus inductive groups are there means Kb will be least. So aniline से तीनों कम है, ये तीनों में सबसे लीस्ट तो ये होगा, राइट? अभी नाउ यू हैव टू डिसाइड 1, 2, 3, 4. इसमें 4 is highest, 1 is least. Now second and third, obviously second minus inductive effect is there stronger, so something is better, third is better. So third is better than second. Same 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Orthobromoaniline, metabromoaniline, parabromoaniline, then aniline. In case of benzoic acid also same answer we got it. Now in the benzoic acid, methyl is there, suppose methyl, orthomethyl, metamethyl, paramethyl. What is this? Toluic acid or like benzoic acid. Now give the number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you write the effect also. Steric index is there. Here प्लस इंडक्टिव मीन्स इसको कम करते हैं एसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ को. हियर प्लस मेसोमेरिक एंड प्लस इंडक्टिव, एसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ को और कम करते। यस, क्योंकि Ka is inversely proportional to plus inductive and minus inductive. Now this benzoic acid is something better. So normal benzoic acid is higher, okay, compared to these all, but due to this SIR, due to this SIR, normal benzoic acid से भी ज़्यादा है, क्योंकि steric index is there. Okay, so now answer will be first तो highest होगा, then normal benzoic acid. Now you have to decide in between 2 and 3. See, 2 में only plus mesomeric plus I, but third में plus mesomeric and plus I दोनों में. So this is least. See, downwards 2 times decreasing acidic strength को. So least होगा, third one is least होगा, उससे better second one. Okay, is it clear now? Here only inductive effect is there, here mesomeric effect is there. CH3 actually mesomeric not, but it is hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation also similar to mesomeric. Same resonance structures are there. Now suppose if you take aniline, methyl group is there, ortho position, meta position, then para position, then normal aniline. Right? See here the groups here, of course here SIR is there. Now plus inductive and plus mesomeric. Mesomeric means here hyperconjugation actually. Now what is this? NH2, right? Normal. See, due to the SIR is the least, so one तो कभी भी least ही होगा, right? Now here plus inductive groups are there, obviously aniline से थोड़ा better होगा, right? So ये दोनों में एक्चुअली तो ये ज़्यादा होना चाहिए ड्यू टू स्टीरिक इंडेंस, सॉरी आप तो मैडम एक्चुअली ये होना चाहिए 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. सी एक्चुअली तो आर तो ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, बट ड्यू टू SIR इफेक्ट ये सबसे लीस्ट हो गए, ये खत्म. नेक्स्ट 2 3 4 में हियर समथिंग डोनर्स आर देयर, सो एनिलीन से दीज टू आर बेटर. 2 एंड 3 में 3 को तो ज़्यादा होगा क्योंकि प्लस मेसोमरिक है, सो 3 इज सबसे हाईएस्ट होगा, देन 2 होगा, 2 से कम 1, 2 से कम 1 4 होगा, 4 से कम 1 होगा, 1 4 2 3 1 4 2 3 आर्थो एंड नॉर्मल, देन मेटा, देन पैरा. ये आर्थो तो कम कभी भी कम होगा. Okay, now understood? Is it clear? Now again we can take benzoic acid. Now methoxybenzoic acid. This methoxy group is it plus inductive or minus inductive? Obviously minus inductive. And mesomeric में तो plus mesomeric होगा, right? Here SIR के वजह से क्या होता है, कभी भी SIR की वजह से ज़्यादा होता है, SIR, right? Now ऑर्थोमिथॉक्सी तो ज़्यादा ही होगा, देन सी COOH को एसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ को कम करने वाला, तो ये प्लस मेसोमेरिक इफेक्ट है, प्लस ये तो ओनली माइनस इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट, ठीक है। इधर कुछ नहीं है, मतलब बेंजोइक एसिड से मेटा वाला बेटर है, मेटा से तो आर तो कभी भी बेटर है क्योंकि स्टीरिक इंडेंस, आर तो हाईएस्ट, देन मेटा हाईएस्ट, देन नॉर्मल हाईएस्ट, नॉर्मल मतलब बेंजोइक एसिड COOH, then para. If you give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 is highest, then 3, sorry, benzoic acid minus inductive, हाँ सही है, 1 is highest, then 2, then 4, then least ये होगा थर्ड, para. Is it clear? Para-methoxy benzoic acid is least. Now, suppose hydroxy groups are there. Hydroxy groups. Hydroxy, ortho position, meta position, para position, and normal benzoic acid. Suppose one more example here. बेंजोइक एसिड से दोनों साइड वो OH ग्रुप्स, ठीक है। नंबरिंग 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. नाउ ड्यू टू स्टेरिक इंडेंस तो ये ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, एक्सपेक्टेड तो यही था, यस ऑफ कोर्स, तो ये ज़्यादा है, ठीक है। लेकिन तो इधर एक एक्स्ट्रा OH है, एक्स्ट्रा OH, सो इफ आई राइट दिस नाउ, कॉन्जुगेट बेस स्ट्रक्चर लिख दो, C डबल बॉन्ड O, O माइनस OH and OH. Here this O minus and this hydrogen is hydrogen bond. So here दोनों तरफ से हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है, that means more stable conjugate base is forming. सबसे हाईएस्ट ये होगा 5, सबसे हाईएस्ट 5 होगा, उसके बाद ड्यू टू द SIR effect फर्स्ट वन होगा, दिस इज द ड्यू टू SIR effect, ड्यू टू दिस हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड की वजह से फिफ्थ वन, एंड SIR effect की वजह से फर्स्ट, देन मेटा, para and normal you have to decide. Here it is only minus mesomeric, it is the प्लस मेसोमेरिक, माइनस है लेकिन तो माइनस इंडक्टिव का कुछ, सॉरी ये माइनस इंडक्टिव हियर प्लस मेसोमेरिक इफेक्ट, एसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ प्लस मेसोमेरिक इफेक्ट से कम होता है, सो इसलिए सेकंड एंड थर्ड में ऑब्वियसली सेकंड इज द हाईएस्ट देन द थर्ड, सेकंड इज द हाईएस्ट देन थर्ड. What about normal benzoic acid? Normal benzoic acid से भी second highest है, so here it will come fourth. Then fourth, then third. Right? 1, 2, 4, 3. See here the second one is came here meta, आर्थो, मेटा, पैरा तो कम हो गया, ये नॉर्मल fourth one is normal. Understood now? Here due to the resonance the fifth one is highest. SIR effect के वजह से generally ज़्यादा होता है ortho, it's okay fine. Then you have to decide meta and para. In the meta and para, meta में minus I effect is there. Obviously meta is higher acidic than para, right? Like this you can write any given compounds. I think nitro group written, no, I think nitro, benzoic acid, NO2. Normal benzoic acid, nothing is there means hydrogen, right? So here due to steric indents again I can give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Ortho or number 1 is highest, then NO2 minus inductive here minus mesomeric. So para is highest, para that means number 3. Then normal से ये तीनों better था इसलिए then 2 means क्या है meta, then normal benzoic acid PHCOH. Understood now? Due to steric indents more here minus inductive and minus mesomeric effect. Minus mesomeric effect के वजह से third one is highest, then second, then इधर कुछ भी नहीं था इसलिए normal NO2 के वजह से. Then if you take the aniline, the same group we can take, same group I will take it. Suppose here aniline is there, NH2. Just COOH के जगह पे NH2 assume करना है. Again due to steric hindrance SIR ये तो सबसे least होगा. 1 अभी तो होगा least. 1 तो होगा least. Remaining सब NO2 ग्रुप्स है. इधर कुछ नहीं था मतलब हाईएस्ट तो होगा फोर्थ, हाईएस्ट तो होगा फोर्थ. नाउ यू डिसाइड मेटा एंड पैरा. सो पैरा में माइनस मेसोमेरिक इफेक्ट दे, माइनस मेसोमेरिक इफेक्ट ग्रुप इज देयर, सो इट इज reducing more. That means third is least. Next third से better second, third से better second. Okay, 4 2 3 1 here 1 3 2 4 ऐसा कुछ रिलेशन नहीं है, ठीक है. Understood now? In case of aniline how it is changing, right? Next in the benzoic acid, suppose aniline groups is there, aniline group NH2, how it will be changed? Meta aniline, then para aniline in the benzoic acid, right? Okay, normal benzoic acid you can take last 4. See, acidic strength we know that Ka is inversely proportional to plus mesomeric. So सबसे लीस्ट क्या होना चाहिए? सिर्फ बेंजोइक एसिड तो सबसे हाईएस्ट होगा क्योंकि ये सब तो प्लस मेसोमरिक, ये तो अच्छा माइनस इंडक्टिव भी है इधर. ओके राइट. सो इधर SIR इफेक्ट, वेट आंसर मत लिखना अभी, राइट. Now, right, I'm giving the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, which is the highest? NH2 group is there, minus inductive. Okay, but still benzoic acid and amino benzoic acid. So here the fourth one is highest normal benzoic acid, then meta benzoic acid, meta amino benzoic acid, that means 2. Actually our expectation is second. Okay, but almost same, the little bit in case of meta amino little bit less. Okay, 4, 2 meta amino, then plus mesomeric effect strongly affecting, that's why 3. Yes, normal benzoic acid, meta, then para, then ortho means number 1. Okay, see here why we written this. Due to steric hindrance, जनरली कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड में एसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ ज़्यादा होना चाहिए था, ठीक है, बट here due to this NH2 group, this NH2 is showing basic strength. Here it is a basic character. Okay, so due to this basic nature, this acidic nature is there, basic nature is there, almost getting neutral, that's why it is least. ये exceptionally you have to remember here. Okay, compared to normal trend it is different. Actually normal trend से SIR effect के वजह से वो different था तो, right? Again one more exception, this one, when NH2 and COH is there, ortho is least. Okay, next, if suppose more than one functional group is there, carboxylic acids, obviously that is aliphatic, aromatic. If you compare it, exceptional case HC double bond OOH, CH3 C double bond OOH, then C2H5 C double bond OOH. Now benzoic acid also is there, suppose PH C double bond OH. Now in general trend is aromatic carboxylic acid Ka is higher than एलिफेटिक अमाइंस में तो उल्टा रहता है, एलिफेटिक. सो ये बेंजोइक एसिड का ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, राइट? नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4. ओके, of course almost your answer will be same. 4 is highest. Then see, after removal of H plus, CO minus, CO minus, CO minus, CO minus, which is more stable due to resonance is the more stable, it's okay. But here benzene acting as plus mesomeric and minus inductive, plus mesomeric and minus inductive. But here these are plus hyperconjugation, plus mesomeric type, hyperconjugation is there, plus inductive is there. This is also inductive and hyperconjugation. Okay, so these negative charges, whenever donating groups are there, those are unstable. These are unstable. So 1, 2, 3 may, if you take that 1, 2, 3, the 3 is the least, then second, then first. Aliphatic. Now aromatic, where I have to keep this? According to general trend is it should be expected be here, the fourth one, but is a bit of the poison. So formic acid say benzoic acid का acidic strength is less. Why? Because plus mesomeric effect. Sorry, minus inductive तो ठीक है. Plus mesomeric effect nature also is there benzene. Okay, due to this reason, so compared to formic acid, benzoic acid acidic strength is less. The general trend is aromatic is higher than the aliphatic. Aliphatic means like this, normal, open chain. Aromatic is higher. Of course, aromatic is higher. But exceptionally, formic acid is higher than the benzoic acid. Here the note point. Okay, reason is there. Reason here, there is no donating group here. But here, pH is acting as a donating group also. Okay, now final conclusion is RSO3H is higher acidic than RC double bond OH, then H2CO3 carbonic acid, then phenol, then methyl alcohol, then water, then remaining alcohols. Generally alcohols are basic बोलते, लेकिन मिथाइल अल्कोहल इज वाटर से भी ज़्यादा एसिडिक है. ठीक है, अल्कोहल, देन आर सी ट्रिपल बॉन्ड सी एच alkynes, then NH3, then RCH double bond CH2 alkene, then alkanes. Okay, this is the order of this acidic strength, Ka, acidic strength. Okay, or any other things are there, we can discuss in the next video.